Hello there and welcome to Year 5 Maths, and this topic is about measurements. So we're looking at a few measurements here: kilograms and grams, milliliters and liters, and centimeters and meters. Let's give you some examples of what to do here. So first of all, let's go through some measurements. So 1 kilogram equals to 1,000 grams. And kilogram and grams is all about how much an object weighs. 1 liter is equals to 1,000 milliliters. And liters and milliliters measure the volume of liquid. So for example, a liter of a bottle or carton of milk, for example. And in 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. As you know, centimeters and meter measures distance. Okay, so you need to know these. So first of all, when you calculate how many meters there are in a kilometer, just make sure that if you're actually converting between them, you will either multiply by 1,000 or you will divide by 1,000. So let's say, for example, we have 2,500 meters and we want to convert this into kilometers. Now we know that in 1 meter, there are in total 100 centimeters, and in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. Okay, so to convert 2,500 meters into kilometers, we will divide by 1,000. And the reason we're going to divide 2,500 meters by 1,000 is because we know that in 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. And when we divide, we move the decimal point 3 times to the left. And the reason we do that is because we have 3 zeros. So the invisible decimal point goes to the left 3 times, once, twice, and 3 times. And the answer will then be 2.5 kilometers. If you're doing it the other way around, and if you're converting kilometers to meters, then you will multiply by 1,000, and then you will just move the decimal point to the right 3 times, or just add zeros 3 times, because 1,000 has 3 zeros. If you divide by 100, you move the decimal point to the left twice, because 100 has 2 zeros. If you multiply by 100, then you move the decimal point to the right 3 times, because 100 has 2 zeros. And if you divide by 10, you move the decimal point to the left once, because 10 has 1 zero. And if you multiply by 100, then you move the decimal point to the right twice, because 100 has 2 zeros. And 10 has 1, so you move the decimal point to the right once. Okay? So use these measurements to help you answer the following questions, and good luck.